Filipino time na naman ba tayo o diva time ang peg? Why do your eye bags look like scrotum? Intindihin mo na lang sila, anak. COVID, then monkeypox, Alpha, Delta, Omicron, parang mga ex-boyfriend mo. Iba-iba pangalan pero pare-parehong daot. Lalo na yung puti na may herpes.
For the last time! It was a pimple!
Just tell them you're my daughter and boom! Instant potluck! Mag-uunahan pa mga nurses kung sino magdadala ng lumpia. Kahit pa din, walang pake. Yung mga multo, hindi ka na pinapansin.
Oh, yeah? Then I'll have to be unignorable.
Go ahead. Care harder. Baka pati mga multo, mag-sign up. Gusto mo bang pag-usapan?
I said I don't want to talk about it.
Ganyan ang nangyayari pag hindi ka nakikinig eh. Para kang spoiled brat.
You work too much to spoil anyone.
Sorry ha, single mother eh. Ako lang naman ang iyong personal chef, personal Uber driver, psychiatrist, emotional support anim. Okay, sabihan mo na lang ako pag ready ka na for some motherly advice. Sa bagay, over 30 years ko lang naman to ginagawa. What do I know? Uy, mukhang nanalo ang storage area sa round na to ah. Kailangan mo ng ice? Or would you like your dignity back?